Royal Clips Fade Kit 2.0 brings together a full-size clipper, detail trimmer, and foil shaver, so one bundle covers almost every hair and beard job at home or in the shop. The clipper and trimmer feel solid in the hand and use a strong motor with sharp blades that glide through thick hair without snagging or tugging. Adjustable settings and the included 10 guide combs make it easy to dial in anything from a tight fade to a carefully shaped beard, even if you are still learning. The triple foil shaver gives a very close finish on the face and neck, helping you clean up stubble lines and bald fades with a smooth, even result. A high-capacity battery that runs for more than 5 hours on a charge means you can handle several full haircuts or long grooming sessions without hunting for a power outlet. Overall, the kit feels like a professional-grade setup that suits both barbers and home users who want consistent barbershop-style results without extra fuss.